Today, we're going to show you how to make a Paloma. Super simple, but you can make it more complicated. To learn the details, keep watching. You don't want to learn the details? Watch anyway. Welcome to Common Cocktails. Dan, Derek, and Ian. I'm getting good at that.
See?
Yeah.
Boom.
You got all our names.
Yeah.
We're going to make a cocktail. I haven't done executive producers at all. We're going to make a cocktail for you. This is called the Paloma. You've probably heard of one. Because I think everybody's heard of it. Now, for backstory, we did a tequila tasting. Mm-hmm. Well, that wasn't really a tequila tasting. It was a spicy tasting, right? A bunch of tequila with spices.
Well, we've done both.
And that was last week. The difference is, for us, it was 5 minutes ago. So there's a little bit of spice. So we need to cool it down.
Well, not if you just have Ian come to your house and rub lime on your lips, then
and it's all fine.
The spice goes away.
This cocktail is going to be 2 ounces of Siempre Blanco. Ah!
Let me know how it works.
Now I have to now I can't put the recipe card there because everybody has to see that.
Yeah, we'll start over.
All right.
That's pretty sweet.
2 ounces of tequila.
But yes, use Siempre Blanco. Use Siempre Blanco. Half ounce of lime juice. Grapefruit soda. Done. Top. Right. That's how you make it.
Yeah.
Something like that.
It's simple. Sometimes you can muddle a little orange in there. It's good.
You get all fucking crazy.
No, that's how I've had it at the Mexican restaurant we go to.
Yeah.
And she makes it, and she makes it really good. She does make it with Squirt.
See?
And she puts a little orange in there, and she mushes it up.
She's probably bored of making it this way. Because, I mean, this is your classic Paloma straight, as you probably see it anywhere if you were to get a perfect recipe for it. Just a little bit of lime. Then you're going to add the Squirt, which I believe is grapefruit soda, similar to Fresca.
Squirt's legit, though.
Yeah, if you can find it.
Yeah.
San Pellegrino is always...
That was my second.
Yeah.
For me, that's up there. That's the top way to do this stuff.
Yeah.
That was the
they got
second
that pomelo
for this.
there.
Yeah.
I was going to get that, but I felt like...
It's expensive, though, for what...
Yeah, but this is what everybody...
Like
I always see. Can you see this little guy on there?
Yep.
Whew. All right, I got you a lime, and you didn't fucking put the lime on top. This episode, by the way,
You put it on top?
this episode is sponsored by Siempre.
Am I supposed to drink it through the little wedge thing?
Yeah, that's why I cut it.
Okay.
Actually, let me fix that.
Tequila.
That's wild.
Give me a bigger, yeah. Then it's like a
Welcome
coffee
to
cup.
Happy National... Oh,
Look at that.
nice
You
thing.
just created...
That's
You
really
just
cool.
created
We're
a
going to
new
call that the
fucking
Ian
topping.
garnish.
Yes!
No, that is like... Dude, the way that it fits on this glass...
Yeah, see? It's perfect.
But you have to find,
it's the Ian.
the perfect line.
It's always perfect if Ian's bartending.
Or you just cut it at the right place.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
All lines are perfect if used properly.
It does. Look at that.
right.
I know.
It's all right. It's on TV. We got it. It's on the internet for posterity.
Our executive producer is William Fitzgerald. William, thank you for being part of
Bit limey.
the episode. In a
Yes, and it
Patreon.
gives a little fragrance while you drink it.
You get the
Patreon
nose?
subscriber.
Yes.
You can go to Patreon.
I feel very sophisticated.
/CMC.
Ian's got his pinky out.
Drinking out of your wedge.
It just
It's like
looks cool.
Pac-Man.
Call that the lily pad.
Nice.
It's,
You fucked it up.
And now it's chocolate.
it's
The frog jumped off.
carbonating.
Yeah.
It's carbonated. I can taste
good.
the
You can make like a
carbonation.
little origami frog to put on top of that.
There you go. You got your own cocktail right there.
Boom.
Damn.
The new paper plane.
That's right.
Mm.
So you wanna go
The
for-
toad.
Paper plane cocktail. Simple drink. There's probably some history behind it. I didn't look it up because, I mean, it's very hard to find good history for a drink that is so basic that, like, you could invent it
It was
by
invented.
mistake.
It's
Invent
good.
it.
Summer, tequila.
Yeah, no shaking.
Refreshing.
Throw it all in
Yeah.
there.
It's perfect.
It doesn't seem to help with the fiery heat, though.
Oh, see, my mouth's all good because someone wiped lime all over it, so I've been cured.
I've been cured.
I've been cured. So,
I can walk again.
I can walk again.
That makes a difference.
happy National
yeah.
It
Beverage
totally
Day.
does. Yeah. You
Also,
really got it in there, too.
I did.
Yeah, you really switched it all over. So
I was committed.
at first, I didn't know what you were doing, but then you were like, it helps with the heat. And I'm like, if Gordon Ramsay said so, then I left it on.
you should have just put it in your mouth and.
That's a different show, Derek.
Well,
The lips are hot.
it's got a little salty. Speaking of that, you can get free shipping if you go to shop.siempretequila.com. You can until the end of May, which is May 31st. So between May 1st and May 31st, 2021. If you're watching this 3 years from now, this doesn't count for
I
you.
think the glass tapers a little bit.
Spend $150, free shipping.
The further down you go, the
How
more
can you
that
spend
doesn't work.
that type of money? You buy
But look, it's a garnish to the end.
multiple bottles. That's a reposado. That's a blanco. We also have. You want to grab the añejo? We're going to be making 2 cocktails this month with añejo. So you need all 3 because, like, why wouldn't you?
Because why not?
Yeah.
Why not? So use that to get yourself some free shipping. Plus,
See, like, this is for your
name.
friends. This is for your closer friends. And this is for you.
Or, in our case, this is for infusing with ghost pepper, and this is for drinking.
Yes.
You could do all of those things. I would refrain from the ghost pepper if I were you. So one of the things to note about these guys is, which I always learn new stuff, but apparently if you harvest agave from the lowlands versus the highlands, you're going to get a different flavor profile, which I guess makes sense. It works with grapes.
Yeah.
The lowlands, I believe, are more of a mineral flavor, if I remember correctly, and then the highlands have more of a fruity flavor. So if you blend the two together, you're going to get a little bit of each. You could get different tequilas that are going to have very like mineral taste to them. You're going to get some that are fruitier, some that have some salt to them. So this kind of, they probably were like, hey, I like all of those things. Let's just put it into one and build from 2 different farms. And it's made with the traditional method of brick oven cooking versus chemicals or autoclaves. I have a video, The Dirty Secrets of Tequila, here, someplace, that you can watch to see all the bad things you could do to make tequila legally. Flavors, adding stuff to it, coloring them, all that crap. These guys don't have to do that, so you want to buy it. That's why.
It's good.
Yeah. When we did a tasting, also, I guess I'll put this a little later because if I put two
And
next
you
to
get a
each
little
other,
rose charm.
not so great. When we did a tasting, I believe our thoughts were we really like the añejo, probably more for sipping. We're going to see how it works in a old fashioned, an añejo old fashioned, and then a Hollywood Manhattan, which doesn't have any vermouth, so it should be good. And then the blanco. The reposado is good, but the blanco has that more aggressiveness, and this has a different like aged quality to it, so we kind of fit on both extremes. This one's going to be a little bit more curbed on the flavor because it's oaked for a few months, so you're going to get less aggressiveness from blanco. I happen to like the aggressive blanco taste myself.
Yeah. Like a Paloma.
Yeah, the Paloma's a good drink. Simple, super easy to make when you're like, I just want to drink, but I don't want to get a shaker out. Like Dan.
Yeah.
Dan makes these all the time. I go for, what are you drinking, Paloma? Because he's always drinking
Sometimes
Palomas.
you don't want to. Sometimes you just don't want to shake it.
All the times he doesn't want to shake it.
Well, that's what I have you for.
Right. So I come over and then we make like mezcal margaritas and weird stuff and like all these crazy gin drinks but him, no, it's just put these 2 ingredients together. Do you even add lime or you don't even do that, do you?
But I add lime.
You actually
I add
squeeze the lime?
like I said, sometimes I put orange in there. You muddle like a little orange on the
So
bottom.
you took something that was going to be super lazy and you turned it into like work.
Of course. Come on. I mean, I'm a little bit fancy too.
It depends on the mood. You can get as fancy as you want to, but you don't have to. That's what matters. All right. I guess that's good. Sidebar. Extra
Perfect.
videos for Margarita Month, or Tequila Month. Margarita is only one of a month. Tequila Month. Down below, Oz's Drinks Bartender Starter Kit. We're teaching you how to drink.
Tequila.